How to create Robots.txt directives for Blogger. Following on from the previous video session, I'm going to show you how you can use Robots.txt rules if your website's using Blogger platform. Let's go to Blogger. Let's log into our Blogger account. Then let's press on settings. Let's take a look at crawlers and indexing. You need to enable custom robots.txt by pressing on the slider and then press on custom robots.txt. Now, for Blogger, you're actually not creating robots.txt file per se, but rather use the options to control user agents such as Googlebot or others. I'll show you an example. Let's say user -agent : asterisk. Let's put a new line and let's say disallow : private folder structure. Let's put a / and now let's press save. And voila, we've just used the options available in Blogger to generate Robots Exclusion Protocol rules. Now, I'm not going to cover the other options because in the previous video session, I've actually highlighted the simplicity of using Robots.txt directives. The previous video session can be found on Rankia YouTube channel. All you need to do is search for Robots.txt and there will definitely be the previous video, okay? So to be able to add Robots.txt rules for Blogger, you simply log into your Blogger account, find settings, and enable custom robots.txt, because yours will be unenabled at the moment. Then you enable it, then press on custom robots.txt, and then place your rules within it, and then press save. And that's how simple it is to use Robots.txt for Blogger. If you're using different content management systems, such as Wix and so on, all you need to do is read the help section because the process will most definitely be similar. I thank you very much for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.